everybody, Stephanie Viscount here. Now, many of you already know that I am a licensed realtor with Keller Williams Legacy Group here in Canton. But today I wanted to jump on here to kind of provide you with some tools and some information that the city of Canton is offering for anyone who is looking in the city of Canton to renovate their home or to buy land to build on. So the city of Canton has a tax abatement program, and that is if you do a home renovation or you build a new construction home. The home renovation must be at least $5,000 in value with receipts of proof, and permits must be used and submitted. So what this program is if you invest that $5,000 into your home, let's say you do a bathroom remodel or you add a bathroom or you add on square footage, whatever renovations that would qualify for this, which make sure that you check, and I'll make sure to link this. You do not have to pay taxes for 15 years on the new value of your home. As many of you know, I have a background in home renovation and new home builds. And, you know, it's my passion to inform everybody about the renovation process, and especially being on the real estate side, how it really adds value to your home. So if you are looking in the city of Canton and you are maybe even potentially thinking of some homes that could use a little TLC, maybe you are an investor with a multifamily home, or maybe you want to build a brand new home somewhere in the city of Canton limits, then this program would be wonderful for you to take advantage of. You do not have to pay taxes on the new proposed value for 15 years. You heard that right. It's 15 years. And this tax break or credit, it actually transfers to a new owner. So let's say I put a new bathroom into my home and in 5 years I end up moving. That will actually transfer to the new owner, so they do not have to pay the new proposed value of my home at that time. They only have to pay what I was paying or what was at value at that time. So if you want more information, please see the links. I'm going to attach them. There's a pamphlet. There's a person that you can call directly with the city to discuss your project. There's instructions on what to do, how to submit. There's a form to fill out. All of the things that you need, all of the tools to really take advantage of this program. And of course, if you are looking for a home, not only in Canton, in the Northeast Ohio area, I would love to help you. If you need to sell your home, but you're uncertain of the time of year or the conditions, please give me a call as well. I would love to walk you through that process. My number is 330-401-6910.